Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 56079 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness on a 2010 Toyota Camry. Begin by opening the back hatch and disconnecting the negative battery cable to ensure your safety and the safety of your vehicle's electrical system. At the rear of the vehicle, remove the floor coverings. To do this, remove the two plastic fasteners securing the rear scuff panel. Remove the scuff panel by pulling out on the bottom and then up. Take care not to damage the alignment tabs on the back. Starting on the driver's side, pull back on the rear trim panel to locate the vehicle taillight wiring harness connectors. Separate the connectors from the taillight housing, taking care not to damage the locking tabs. Insert the CURT wiring harness connector with the yellow wire between the corresponding taillight housing connector and taillight wiring harness connector. Make sure all locking tabs are in place. Route the end with the green wire across the removed scuff panel under the passenger side trim panel and separate the taillight wiring connectors from the taillight. Insert the CURT wiring harness connector between the corresponding taillight housing connector and taillight wiring harness connector. Make sure all locking tabs are in place. Find a suitable mounting location for the black converter box. We recommend a flat surface protected from road debris. Use the supplied double-sided tape to adhere the black converter box to your chosen location. If no ground screw is present, find a flat area on the vehicle's body. We recommend drilling a 3/32" pilot hole, being mindful of what you drill into and what is behind it. To ensure great metal-to-metal contact, paint and debris should be sanded off. Use the supplied self-tapping screw to fasten the ground wire. Prepare the black power wire by stripping one end of the wire. Insert the stripped end into the yellow butt connector. Crimp this section together. Remove one pre-stripped end from the red inline fuse holder. Insert this end of the wire into the yellow butt connector and crimp this section together as well. Finally, remove the remaining pre-stripped end of the red inline fuse wire and crimp on the yellow eyelet. Attach the yellow eyelet to the accessory nut on the positive battery post. Route the black power wire around the engine block, staying away from excessive heat sources and moving parts. Here, we are routing the power wire near the brake and fuel lines on the outside of the vehicle's frame. Attach the black power wire with the supplied cable ties and continue to route and fasten away from moving parts in the exhaust system. To route the black power wire up into the taillight housing area, locate and remove the trunk pan drain plug. Carefully make an incision in the plug for the wire to pass through. Replace the plug with the wire and continue to feed up into the taillight housing area. Trim the excess wire and prepare the black power wire by stripping the end. Insert the stripped end into the yellow butt connector. Crimp this section together. Insert the black power wire of the black converter box into the yellow butt connector and crimp this section together, making sure a good splice has been made. Reseal the incision in the drain plug with silicone to complete this process. Replace the vehicle's floor coverings, scuff panel, and anything else removed during the installation. Insert the included 10-amp fuse into the red inline fuse holder. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Finally, be sure to test your new trailer wiring harness with an electrical tester or a properly wired trailer. This completes the installation of the CURT 56079 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness on a 2010 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have the power to bring it.